All right, guys, this is going to be kind of crazy because I'm doing this during advisory, but I wanted to send it to you before you left the weekend and maybe didn't have access to the internet. All right, so earlier today we were doing this and we entered in the data, and you go into data, edit, and we enter in those numbers. I didn't know it was happening. All right, so we've got those values entered 2, 4, 6, 7. I missed one. 2016, 18, 14, 9, 20, 16. All right, so now I have all my data values entered. So instead of going through the list in the math option to find the standard deviation, I want you guys to go to stat, calculate, and then the one for the one variable stats. You do not need to put L1 here because it's defaulted to use L1. So you just hit enter and it gives you all of the information. So here is your average, your mean, it's 16.1. And then we have the standard deviation, which is 3.56. This 3.84 is the standard deviation for the sample, and we are not using that number. We're using this 3.56. Okay, now here's what's really cool is on this screen, you also have all of your data for the box and whisker plot. So you've got your minimum, you've got your quartile 1, median, quartile 3, and your maximum. So you can use this for the 12-3 assignment instead of putting it into the stat plots, right? Oh, whoops. So you could use the stat, calculate one variable, and that's going to give you the information you need instead of doing it using the graph. Nice. Okay. All right, that's it. Sorry that it's noisy and crazy, but hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have questions.